gonna do another one from our new record, which is not about breakups, but we had to sneak one in because we're cheeky like that and still in our feels and stuff. This is one about thinking that you're over somebody, and then maybe in some like hypothetical situation, they call you a year after you break up, and you realize you're not over them at all, and you're like, hey, and you gotta be okay with not being over them and not forcing being over them. I'm very articulate. It's about realizing that it's gonna be a long time that you're over somebody. It's called Long Time.
For you, how you wanna play this? You're good now, honey, I'm still waiting. And we've come away from hiding in the rain. 2 kids lying in the basement. And every time I run away, you never fall behind. And anytime I'm feeling safe, you gotta wrong that right. I gotta get along with life, but you still run my mind. So if you're asking how I've been, I'm gonna have to lie. It's gonna be a long, long time. It's gonna be a long, long time. Phone calls, yeah, it's been a while. You found love, but maybe I should try that. You're growing up, but I'm in a rut. Don't mind me if I'm never right back. 'Cause every time I run away, you never fall behind. And anytime I'm feeling safe, you gotta roll that right. I gotta get along with life, but you still run my mind. So if you're asking how I've been, I'm gonna have to lie, 'cause it's been a long time. It's been a long, long time. It's gonna be a long, long time. It's gonna be a long, long time. 'Cause every time I run away, you never fall behind. Anytime I'm feeling safe, you gotta walk that right. I gotta get along with life. You still run my mind. If you're asking how I've been, I'm gonna have to lie. It's gonna be a long, long time. It's gonna be a long, long